Welcome back. On this episode of Bulldog Builds, we're going to check in on the Cadillac to see how it's coming. We're going to see if that Chevy truck got completed. And on the Ford Mustang, the students found another problem, which is in front of me right now. We're going to come back to that a little bit later in the episode. Hope you enjoy it.
The original shock brackets had to be removed. They will be relocated later.
During the bleeding process of this vehicle, one of the bleeder screws broke off in a caliper. Now in the real world, we would replace both calipers, bleed the system, give it back to the customer. But this was a perfect opportunity to show the students how we can remove a broken fastener. So we welded a nut onto the bleeder screw. We heated it up. And then we removed it. And then replaced it with a new bleeder screw, thereby putting the caliper back into service.
That's all the way in.
It's Tuesday night and I'm thinking,
Go back on it a little bit.
where am I supposed to be? You and I hanging out drinking.
We pulled a 443 code from the Mustang. That's an evaporative emissions code commonly set when the gas cap is left off during a fill-up. To know for sure, we sealed the tank at the filler neck with an adapter. Then using a smoke machine, we introduced smoke into the system to see if there were any leaks. As you can see, we have smoke coming from the filler neck below the cap.
So as you saw when the students did the testing, they found a leak in the filler neck of the Mustang. So we're going to fix that. I have that here now. We've already have it cleaned and prepped and ready. There are several ways that we can fix this. I could either TIG weld it, MIG weld it, we could solder it, we could use epoxy on it even if we wanted to. But I chose to use brass. We're going to braze this for two reasons. One, I can get the brass to flow into the groove itself or the crack itself so that we know we have it repaired. But also I haven't done this in many years and I just wanted to see if I can still do it. So let's give it a shot. So the brazing's all done. Looks like we're sealed up pretty good. We'll throw a little paint on it to protect it. And next time the students will have it installed back in the car and they'll test it again to make sure there's no further leaks. Next time on Bulldog Builds, more Cadillac work. We'll get the Mustang finished up. We'll check on what's next with our tractor block, and we'll see what else is going on in the shop.